Hello everyone and welcome to Bumbee. Today I'm going to share with you my kitchen Christmas decor for 2018. I kind of kept it simple this year and I did a couple of little different things. So let's get started and let me show you what I've done. Okay, so let's start here on top of the refrigerator. I have this gingerbread stuffed animal, another gingerbread in the back. I left my farmer's market tray just back there and just added a sign with some Santas. Here I have these vintage polka dot tins, a cheer cup, a little Christmas cup, my vintage mother's duck. In this tin I have a cup of cheer. It is from the Dollar Tree. To this vase in the back I just added a Dollar Tree sign on a stick and added it to there. Right here on top of the stove I have a sign that says stops here. A little Santa dish. On top of this tiered plate, I have my Santa picture that I just recently got at a thrift store. Here I have a little Santa, a sign that says Santa's, a little jar, little vintage tin in the back. This was from the 99 last year. And I have these wooden trees in the back that were from the 99. Up on top I didn't really change much. I tried to stay more simple. I have these little wreaths here on these two doors here by the stove. Here on the stove I have my vintage decor and my kitchen items, and I just used this Dollar Tree ornament and I hung right over there. Everything kind of just stayed the same. I have my new oil and vinegar carafes, and then salt and pepper shaker from the Dollar Tree from Santa and Mrs. Claus. Here I just have one of those long Dollar Tree signs that say ho ho ho. And these are all the things that I will be needing for cooking. I like for my kitchen to be set up for everything that I need is in front of me. That way I don't have to touch any cabinets or open any doors. This I just recently got actually at Vaughn's grocery store. And these two items were 2 for $4 on sale. Then I'm here creating more plants and a mason jar. And then I just have these little berries from the Dollar Tree and the salt and pepper shaker. Up on top of my little oven, I have my little pig. And then Be Merry vintage tin. Here's a wooden Santa Claus. By my soap and my sponge by the sink. Here in the curtains, I put up my lace curtains. They're vintage and I really love them. And I just put rope across with my vintage sweater ornaments that I've had, guys, for over 20 years. Up on top of the sink, I have this Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Joy signs. In this corner here I have this eat sign. This is my Santa napkin holder. I just got him at a thrift store. This is a little tree that I created, a vintage little carafe. And then I added all these little gingerbreads to the tree and some little vintage cooking tools. And I got a big bag of these little gingerbreads at Michael's after Christmas sale for $1/4, guys. Over here I have a scale with a 1930 vintage recipe holiday fruit cookies. I have a candle holder, some cinnamon stick, these little vintage Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus, and this little tool. I found this little tray in the garage, so I decided just to add the little stickers and make it like a cookie sheet that look like gingerbread cookies. Here's my little vintage coffee grinder. This over here I just left the same, where I hang some vintage tools. And then my eat vegetable big spoon. Coming this way, I really didn't do much over here. I left that as is, and then all my vintage tools. But this recent Chef Santa, I just got at a thrift store, so I went ahead and placed him. This was at the Dollar Tree. These I've had for years, and I just added one of the little whisk and put one in his hand. Down here, I just have a little vase with some berries, that little old Santa that I just got at a thrift store, and some pine cones. Hey guys, this is my Christmas kitchen vignette. I don't understand why I didn't videotape it. I actually had it done a week prior, so I never added it to the collab, but I did do it, and this is going to be very functional for me. I'm going to have tomorrow cookies already made for the kids, and they're just going to sit here in these stools right here, and I've got it all ready for them to decorate their cookies with the sprinkles and everything that they need to decorate. And then this is a Target little sleigh. I added the little gingerbreads, and I wrote cookie decor station. So I think the grandkids are going to have a great time decorating cookies. Over here, this was just a plain paper towel holder that a neighbor gave me, and these wooden pieces I got at thrift stores, and I just glued it, and that's my Christmas paper towel holder. Over here on my bread box, I have a couple of vintage different little tins. The shelf on top, I have all of my Santa mugs that I collect with the Merry Christmas vintage plate. On the shelf above that, I have more mugs, and then some vintage scales and some vintage tools behind the mugs. Okay, now walking into my utility closet, which is also my laundry room area. Okay, so here I have my microwave. I have this little cage with a little rooster. Have a vintage tin. This is recently just got from the Dollar Tree. This, guys, I've had for years that I got at Pick and Save. And then this I just got at a thrift store. Then up top I have a little lantern with some ornaments. Little Santa. My sign, there's only 3 days till Christmas. The little green truck with Santa. And then my copper teapot. Over here, I really didn't do anything. I normally do decorate this area. I just left my little cow collection the way it is. I just kind of went more simple this year, guys. See, that's where I have my laundry pods, and then this is where my washer area is over here. Right over here, these are Dollar Tree towels. What I did is I added burlap to the ends with some little snowflakes from the Dollar Tree just to make them a little more fancy. And then on the bottom here is the one that we do use on a daily basis, and those are also from the Dollar Tree. Thank you everyone for joining me today in my kitchen Christmas tour. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful 2019. Thank you to all of those who have subscribed and supported my channel in this 1-year YouTube adventure of mine. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.